Angry Birds and Friends. Channel YouTube Ruang Tabroni. Let's draw together. Angry Birds and Friends. Example of the image you want to create. Use attractive colored pencils to make it look perfect. Follow each process in this drawing. Angry Birds and Friends. Delete unnecessary parts of the line. Draw from line to line to form a pattern. Angry Birds and Friends. Draw slowly. If it's too fast, please stop, then continue. Follow each step in the drawing process. If the video is too fast, you can repeat it so that the image looks perfect. Don't forget subscribe, like and share.
Wow!
A little more to finish the drawing process. Angry Birds and Friends. Drawing is finished. Thank you. Welcome to see you again.